Hallo meine Klasse, fangen wir bitte an. If I have you first period, then I want to say Guten Morgen meine Klasse. And if I have you sixth period, then I would like to say Guten Tag meine Klasse. So my dears, this is my first time doing an actual full video lesson. When we were in quarantine last spring, I made little lessons, but that was more to explain certain concepts rather than actually give you a full lesson. So bear with me, okay? We are going to cover, I believe, 3 different things today. And one of those is your lotto and vocab. The other one is talking about plurals and rules in plurals. And then we're also going to talk about listening in German, and we're going to be doing some categorizing with some different things, okay? But the first thing I need you to know is you are going to do your Super Lotto 1 through 36 on Friday. It's just going to be digital. It's going to be on Canvas under quizzes. It is going to be timed, and it's going to be the exact same thing, but you're going to be typing in the English instead of writing it, okay? So that's the first big thing. I don't want that to be a shock to anybody. If you log in on Friday, you have to be prepared for that since I won't be there to do Quizlet with you, okay? So actually, my dears, the first thing that we're gonna do is it will be really helpful if you open up your Quizlet and you're going to need to get out your own piece of notebook paper. Normally, I have the vocab already printed out for you guys, but I'm not there to do that. So you're gonna have to do a little bit of extra writing yourself, but we'll get through it together, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to get onto L1A 37 through 48, and I want you to copy the German, and I want you to copy the English, okay? This is a part of your assignment today. Please do that. I'm going to run through the pronunciations with you guys. And remember, if you forget what I say, you can either watch this video again, or you can just click on the speaker next to the word in Quizlet, and it's gonna say it for you, okay? So these are lots of conversational phrases. Okay, starting with it's a pleasure, we have freut mich. Freut mich. Nice to meet you is a little bit of a mouthful, so I'm gonna go word by word, okay? Nett, dich, kennen, zu, lernen. And it literally means nice to get to know you. Nett dich kennenzulernen. We have willkommen, so weit, so gut. Was geht ab? Schön Sie zu sehen. And you should know that that is formal because that capital S for Sie. Schön Sie zu sehen. If it's informal, schön dich, and the dich and the mich sounds just like ich, like an ich heiße, okay? I know it looks kind of funny, but it's just your cat hissing. Dich, okay? Schön dich zu sehen. Next we have keine Ursache. Keine Ursache. Then we have auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. Spitze. Spitze. Ist jemand da? Ist jemand da? And last, was für ein Chaos. Was für ein Chaos. And a lot of these phrases were actually said in the photo roman that we watched a couple weeks ago, but we just hadn't learned them yet, okay? It is up to you to do 37 through 48, write those down in the English and in the German. Step 1, my dears, okay? So step number 2 is I'm going to need for you to go to your slides, and the slides are located in the L1A overview in Canvas, okay? And if you can't find them, just text me and remind, okay? When in doubt, just ask. This is not a time that, oh, Frau's not there, I'm gonna be confused. No, I'm literally here waiting for you to ask me to help you with something. You're going to go to your slides, and you're going to go to slide number 22, and it says Guten Tag, meine Schatzis at the top, which is like saying hello, my dears. Okay? I am going to have you click the link on slide 22. Ignore what it says about, let's see, I'm actually changing it as I go. You're going to click this link, okay? And this link is going to take you to a document that explains in detail how to do plurals in German. It's kind of a free-for-all, not gonna lie. Just like in English, we have puppies, puppies, I-E-S. We have girl is girls, S. We have foxes, foxes, E-S. We have syllabus, turns into syllabi. What the heck? We have the same what the heck in German, okay? And so you're gonna click on this link and you're gonna make a copy of this document because you're gonna be editing it, okay? And we don't wanna have you guys messing that up. So you guys are gonna make a copy and you're going to fill this in as a worksheet and you're going to attach it in today's assignment, okay? So this is gonna take some concentrating for you to be able to read through on your own independently. Before you have questions or before you're confused, make sure you read the rules because I type them out the way that I talk. And so before I re-explain it, read through it, okay? So what it does is it explains 6 different rules for making plural in German. And then it has 7 little practice words to do it with, okay? And then it has a little section at the end for you to write in like what you need help with, okay? So that is part number 2, plurals, okay? And this is gonna help us as you guys learn this so we can do more with talking and stuff like that, okay? So let's see. Task number 3 today is a listening exercise that you guys are going to do, and you guys are going to type your answers into the text entry box on the assignment that I've created for today on Canvas, okay? So you're gonna wanna keep this box open because you're gonna be doing a few things in it today. So I have sent you guys a file in your Canvas daily assignment, okay? So when you are normal, where you go and see what we're doing today, okay? Where it says heute wir machen. You're going to click on a link that should hopefully work. And of course, you guys are the guinea pigs. Some of you are first period, and you'll let me know if it doesn't work and we'll come up with something else. This is what you're going to do. You're going to number, I think it's 8 of them, and you're listening for one of 3 things, and you can use your vocab list, okay? Either a greeting, an introduction, or what they're calling a leave taking. Okay, so a greeting is something like, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. An introduction would be something like, this is my friend. This is Frau Wright. Hey, I want you to meet, my doctor. It's something like das ist. Okay, that is. And then leave taking is gonna be like, bye, see you later, see you tomorrow. And there's a couple of them that can be both a greeting and a leave taking. So if you see someone say, hey, good morning, that's my friend Sarah, that would be both a greeting and an introduction, okay? So you guys are going to say like number 1, you're gonna listen to it. Was that a greeting? Was that an introduction? Or was that a leave taking? Or was it a combination, okay? So I just want you guys to know that, as you may have already watched on the YouTube video, that I am here for feedback during this time, okay? So if you text me sometime in 4th period, yeah, it might take me a little bit longer to get back to you. But while you guys are in your German class, I am here, okay? It's just keep in mind that if you message me or email me during another period of the day, I have another class that I'm taking care of, that I'm teaching, basically. But this needs to be open communication because this time is not easy time to where you don't have a teacher. This is really important time that I want to use to get you guys as advanced as possible in German. And I just want you to know that even though I have to be at home for a while, I'm here for you and I want the best for you, okay? So please know that you can either email me or text me on Remind. Texting on Remind is probably always going to be faster, but we also have the options of Google Meets, Google Hangouts, whatever we need to do. Okay, so I hope you guys are all healthy. And oh, by the way, if you're a virtual student and you're watching this, guess what? I'm virtual too right now. So you're gonna do exactly what I assign the rest of the kiddos, okay? All right, I love you guys and I miss you, and I hope that I get to see you soon. Tschüss.